Hello, hello, it is I. I look fantastic, don't I? I just woke up, so don't mind me. We are going to unbox and play with the products in the latest Orglamix box. I know I haven't done an Orglamix unboxing in a while, but this is October's box. I just got it the other day, and I'm excited to play with it. If you haven't seen one of my Orglamix unboxings before, they do send this my way, but I'm not paid to do this video. I say whatever I want. I give you my full thoughts and feelings. It's $29 a month. You get 4 to 6 full-size products from their brand. Orglamix is a brand that has a monthly subscription service. Everything is vegan, cruelty-free, and I think most of it, if not all of it, is handmade. And it's a really cool brand. They always send really cool, interesting things. Theme this month is Cabinet of Curiosities. We've divided how to conjure the most spellbinding looks this side of Hades. And you don't even have to hex anyone. Instead, bewitch simple fall trends and enjoy these curious handcrafted creations made from ingredients inspired by the late 19th century. That sounds awesome. I love that it's Halloween themed. So I mean, this was October's box. It's the beginning of November now, but I'm not ready to let go of Halloween yet. I'm in that in-between period where I want to love Christmas and Halloween equally, and it's really hard. Speaking of that, I just saw The Nutcracker the other day, and I felt like that movie kind of fed me my Halloween and Christmas needs. If you've seen it, you know what I mean. It's got some creepiness to it, and I love it. So this month we got 5 things. It says everything that we got on the card in the description and their prices, and we're gonna dive into everything. I don't have makeup on right now because the first thing in the box was a mask, so I wanted to actually play with it with you guys because I want to play with it, you know? This is the Witch's Brew Bubble Face Mask. It activates with water or coconut oil, and it draws out toxins and impurities and will absorb excess oil. It says I will get a really deep clean and a powerful anti-inflammatory treatment. And it just says to leave it on for 5 minutes, so we'll see how that goes. I have used a bubble mask before. It was the one from e.l.f. and it's a very interesting feeling. It's very tickly on the skin. So it looks like this. It's just this greenish grayish powder. I'm gonna pour some of this in my hand. My hands are clean. I already cleaned my face. I didn't realize this was gonna be activated with water, but I have my drinking water. Oh, I'm gonna make such a big mess. Do you hear that? Oh my gosh. I'm like scared to put this on my face. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I'm gonna try making a little more and do less water because it like totally melted away. There we go, now it's a little thicker. Ooh. Oh. It has a very icy hot feeling when you put it on. It doesn't hurt, it's just surprising. And it goes away pretty quick, but that initial feeling was crazy. While that sits, let's talk about the products in the box. This mask is $14. Next is this Practical Magic Nourishing Hair Mask. This is $14 and you just need to leave it on for 5 minutes. It restores hydration and natural vibrancy to dry, brittle, overprocessed, and otherwise lackluster locks. So I will try this next time I wash my hair. I should have planned better. I actually washed my hair last night, and if I would have thought about it, I could have done the mask in this portion last night, but I did not. So I will try this and let you know in the description box how it goes. I want to smell it. To me, it smells like the basic white Dove soap bars. And I love that smell. It's just clean smelling. Next, we got another thing that I will let you know how it goes. This is the Witching Hour Charcoal Bath Bomb. This is $6, and it's just supposed to give your skin a detox. It has activated charcoal and tea tree to help toxins leave your body. I'm going to need a bath and some relaxation soon because I've had such a busy week. If you guys are following me on Instagram at all, you might have seen that myself and Nicole, who was in my Creepy Clown video, she worked with me at Hair Plus and she's one of my good friends. We just left Hair Plus and opened up our own studio together doing hair. As I'm filming this, I've had 2 days already, 2 more days left of this week, so by the time this video goes up, the first week will have been completed. That's been exhausting, but it's been really good. The last 2 things we got in the box are the Pumpkin Spice Aromatherapy Lip Whip. This is $15 and it's this shimmery, orangey, sparkly kind of situation. Actually might be kind of nice, just kind of pat it all over the lips. I think that could be really cute. And last we got the Hocus Pocus Natural Eyeshadow. I love their loose eyeshadows so much. They are so pretty. They usually send shimmers. I think I've gotten a couple mattes, but regardless, they're always really, really pretty shadows. It's kind of like this. It's like this mauvey, purpley, sparkly situation. That's super, super pretty. Oh, I love that. So I have a couple more minutes left of this mask situation. I'm going to finish this, wash it off, do all of my makeup except for my eyes and my lips, and I'll be back. All right, so I'm back. I thought because I don't have that many things to really showcase and play with physically in front of you guys, I would just do my whole eye look with you guys. I'm just gonna use the Me Glow Grunge palette again because I think it'll flatter the shimmer shade from Orglamix, the Hocus Pocus shade, very nicely. I'm just gonna start by kind of mixing these two shades to create a pinky purple kind of feel. So yeah, like I was saying before, started the new salon studio this week. And it's been going really well. All of my guests have been super excited to see me. I've already had a few new people this week, which is really cool. I have a few new people booked next week. My biggest fear with all of this was that nobody was gonna follow me and I was gonna be alone and broke and having to pay all this money for nothing. But this week has been very good so far. I'm finally starting to feel less stressed, which is good. It was a very stressful few weeks, guys. You don't even understand. I think I do an okay job managing it, because I'm still getting my videos up, still getting my stuff together. This one, it's not always easy, you know? But that's what's been going on in my life. Super, super busy. I'm gonna be working a lot, I'm sure. Because as of right now, I'm keeping my schedule pretty open. I'm not gonna work on Sundays because I want one day to rely on. But other than that, I'm gonna be going in the salon pretty much anytime somebody wants me to. I still plan on uploading Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. This week is proving that I need to manage my time better because today is Friday of the week that this video goes up. And I have the video for tonight ready to go. I don't quite have tomorrow's ready to go yet. I'm filming this one right now. I think this one's going up Monday. And the one for Sunday, I need to film either tomorrow or Sunday. So this week is challenging me a little bit in the sense that I just have to get my time management together. It'll all work out. I was just really busy with getting the salon set up, and I mean, now that it's set up and rolling, I'm sure it'll start falling into place. Yeah, I'm not doing anything that revolutionary with this eye look. I'm basically just doing a blown out, plummy, smoky eye situation. And then I'm just gonna pack that shimmer shadow all over the lid and blend it out as well. I wanted this to be a fairly quick look, but I also didn't want it to be so simple that it was boring. And then this way I'm also showcasing the Me Glow palette. I've been hanging out with my friend Morgan a lot ever since I left Hair Plus. I worked with her there, but our schedules were so opposite we didn't see each other that much, and we've been hanging out almost every day ever since I left Hair Plus. And we definitely want to film some videos together, so let me know what kinds of videos you guys want to see. I'm taking that shimmery Orglamix shade on a brush that I totally wouldn't normally use, but it's what's right in front of me, so. Ooh, that's really pretty. It adds such a pretty sparkle. What's been going on in your life now that I've blabbed for a while? What is new with you? I would love to know. Really quick off camera, I'm going to, do I want to wear liner today? You know what? Today is a day I just don't feel like wearing lashes or liner. So I'm just gonna throw on some mascara and then I will come back to put on the lip color, even though I'm probably not gonna keep it because let's be real, it's not really gonna flow. Maybe it will. You know what? Let's do it right now. I'm all over the place right now, sorry. It's actually not bad. It just kind of looks like I have a tinted lip balm on and I don't hate it. I just got some on my finger, so I'm just gonna put more on. I don't hate that at all, actually. So I'm going to throw on some mascara and then we'll finish up this video. All right, so I'm back. Mascara's on. I look more human now. I'm realizing as I have this lipstick sitting on me, I don't know if I said it earlier, but this is an aromatherapy lip whip and it has essential oils in it, spiced orange specifically. And it smells really good. It just feels really nice and pleasant. I'm having a good moment right now. If I did the math correctly, the total for this month's box was $61.50. That was the value. You pay $29 a month, so you get double what you paid. And I was really happy with this box actually. I feel like everything is something that I will use. Do you guys subscribe to the subscription? Have you heard of the subscription? Have you tried anything from Orglamix before? I would love to chat about it. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. Absol! He's being a bad boy.